Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to create a premium YouTube thumbnail that gets attentions and click instantly. Start by creating a canvas and set the background to bright or contrasting color related to your niche. Add slightly blurred background photo to create depth. Place your subject or product image on one side and cut it cleanly using the pen tool or quick selection. Keep your headline short, idly under forwards, and use bold, legible font. Add glow or shadows effect to your text for better separation. Finish by applying a color lookup filter to make your design cinematic and professional. This simple but powerful style can instantly boost your videos. Click